Aam Aadmi Party attacks Rekha Gupta government over Yamuna cleanup. Aam Aadmi Party claims sham cleaning of Yamuna. AAP dares Chief Minister, Mantris to drink the Yamuna water. Aam Aadmi Party has come out to claim drink a litre of Yamuna water, then talk. Chief Minister Rekha claims mega Yamuna cleanup. Will Yamuna see end to froth from foam and toxins? That is the question at this given point. But this is the war of words that continues over the Yamuna cleanup, which in fact, remember earlier in the year when there was elections taking place in the national capital, it was a major poll issue that was brought up by none other than the people of the national capital. And now we have remarks coming in from Aam Aadmi Party leaders. Let's quickly listen into what they have to say.
केमिकल जो दिल्ली सरकार अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के समय में हम लोग स्प्रे करते थे, डीफोमिंग एजेंट्स, उसको प्रवेश वर्मा कहते थे कि ये नदी में जहर मिला रहे हैं, सब लोग मर जाएंगे। वही बिल्कुल वही केमिकल आप स्प्रे कर रहे हैं और अब वही प्रवेश वर्मा का मंत्रालय दिल्ली जल बोर्ड उसको स्प्रे करा रहा है और आप कह रहे हैं कि साहब देखिए हमने पोल्यूशन खत्म कर दिया। तो आप झूठ मत बोलिए, आप ये बोलिए कि हाँ, जैसे अरविंद केजरीवाल फोम हटाने के लिए काम करते थे वही हम भी कर रहे हैं। हम उनको करने नहीं देते थे, वहां हम तमाशा करते थे, ये लोग हमें नहीं तमाशा कर रहे, ये लोग रोक नहीं रहे हैं। तो ये बात साफ हो जानी चाहिए।
Well, viewers, that is what has been said by Aam Aadmi Party. It's a challenge. They have to say that it's the same chemical that they used to use back during their regime in the national capital, which now the BJP government here is using. But earlier, they were slammed by the opposition, which was BJP back then, for using those chemicals because they used to claim poisoning from that very chemical. So there are claims being made, there are counter claims being made. Yamuna cleanup has been on the top of the list when we speak of work that's being done by this government, and we've seen right after the elections they had started the Yamuna cleanup itself. Narratives still continue over this entire matter at this very point. These are the visuals, viewers, that we are bringing to you of how Rekha Gupta oftentimes herself has in fact overseen these cleanup drives that have been continuing in the river Yamuna. Remember, there's a particular season during which the river Yamuna is covered with a thick layer of foam, and the season begins now. We see the AQI drop in the very national capital, post which once the winter season sets in, that's when we see this thick foam over the surface, over the water surface in the river Yamuna. And now, war of words has continued over this issue for quite some time. Even when the Aam Aadmi Party was in power in the national capital, it used to be the BJP and the parties in the opposition that used to slam the government back then for their inaction. People as well had raised this issue during the election campaign, saying that environmental factors topped their list when they are voting this year. So yes, they had environmental concerns that they kept in mind while they were voting, and now it's the BJP government which has been doing cleanup drives. But the Aam Aadmi Party says that they're using the same chemicals which they had in fact raised concerns against during the Aam Aadmi Party regime. Let's quickly listen in to some more reactions that's coming in.
मैं आज आई हूँ ओखला वाली तरफ कालिंदी के पॉइंट पे, यमुना जी के घाट पे मैं हूँ और ये देखिए ये पॉइंट मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ जिसकी वीडियो कई बार हमारे हितैषी प्रियजन दिखाते हैं कि यमुना पे फॉग, यमुना पे गंदगी। ये स्वच्छ साफ यमुना जो आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार के समय जहाँ हमारी छठ वर्ती बहनों को इस झाग में खड़े होकर के अपना व्रत खोलना पड़ता था, सूर्य को अर्घ देना पड़ता था, पर आज ये पूरी की पूरी यमुना यहाँ से लेके वहाँ तक किस तरह स्वच्छ है, किस तरह साफ है, किसी प्रकार का कोई झाग इत्यादि नहीं है। कर्मचारी अपने काम कर रहे हैं, लोग विभाग पूरी तरीके से मुस्तैद है, सरकार अपना काम कर रही है और मुख्यमंत्री से लेके मंत्री तक हर व्यक्ति, दिल्ली की जनता को कैसे सहूलियत दी जाए, कैसे दिल्ली के त्यौहार, चाहे वो दीपावली हो चाहे छठ हो, एक दिव्य दीपावली और एक भव्य छठ दिल्ली में दी जाए, इसके लिए हम काम कर रहे हैं। और ये जो झूठी वीडियो दिखाते हैं, उन लोगों को मैं ये साफ साफ यमुना दिखाना चाहती हूँ।